Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share to get that truth and information you need and fleece, heist, and shice the market manipulators, the criminal gangsters that have infiltrated the United States government, the Federal Reserve, and the world banking system, the gold market, the stock market, the silver market, and the cryptocurrency sphere. Hit that bell notification, subscribe, and you can see what we were talking about yesterday. And we were talking about a potential 150 to 236% pump in the Shiba Inu. And you can see the Shiba Inu is actually in the middle of the process of doing that. And we can see here, we did buy Shiba Inu 101,251,422 Shiba Inus yesterday. And we are up $76 or 8.72%. And we believe that now we're coming up against in the 4-hour time frame. You can see from the swing low currently, we'll go from the actual wick low that nobody got. It's already up 58%, right? But from our post yesterday when we put out this alert, we were over in here. We were in here somewhere yesterday. We are already up about 12% from that post. I am up 8%, and we're running up into this major area of resistance now. And this is an area that I think we're going to get through, and that is the red trading zone of the VP volume indicator. And that starts with a little price note here, right where we're at now, at point a shitload of zeros. Let's make that black. 964, and you can see we're at 944 right now. We're running up against the 200-day moving average in the daily time frame and that VP volume indicator. But I believe we will fight and claw and scratch our way through this range. We need to get that out of there. I believe we're going to fight and scratch our claw way through here. And I think we're going to have a hyper pump as the rest of the crypto market is down. This isn't like we're having a massive bull run. XLM's been down from its peak. XRP after its rally has been down. XDC has consolidated quite considerably. And the rest of the coins have been down. But we identify, we sniff out, and we detect potential patterns to get bullish on maybe short term and take advantage of it. And that is the Shiba Inu right now. And I believe that this is going to, in the next couple of days, I think we're going to be up here at point, all them zeros in 1302. And that's a greater than from a current price level. That's another, from about where we're at now, that's another 35 to 44%. And I think we're going to have to retest this 1302 up here. And then you could have a big correction, right? Doesn't mean it's going to happen, no. But I'm very confident now after seeing the continuation in the price action that we're going to at least come up into this top part of the VP volume indicator like it did a couple of times here, but it got rejected. I believe this time it's going to come up here, and we're going to have a hyper pump, and we're going to shoot up and put the afterburners on just like a rocket going out into outer space. And I think we're coming up to at least the 1302 and more likely the 2021. And I think this is going to be from its swing low to its swing high, 150 to 236% pump, as the video said yesterday. And this is just a price update and a status update on the trade that I'm currently in, and it's doing very, very well. And I think it's going to be a very, very exciting day today if you're swing trading or you're trading the Shiba Inu from its very, very low levels into where I think it's going up into. And I think it's going to have one of these type pumps, just like XDC had recently, just like XLM had recently, and just like currently here, the XRP. But then you can see the sellers come in, right? And right now we're sitting at the 50-day moving average in the daily time frame and our step down pattern. If we zoom into the hour time frame, we had a pretty big dump last night, right? And we got supported on this old trend line. Forgot my marking tool was on this old trend line that was this rising channel that we're in, and we're trying to bounce on that, but the moving averages are coming down. And what I feel is going to happen next is we come back into the moving average, and our next leg to the downside is 57 cents in XRP, and we're still watching out for a catastrophic breakdown of the sellers that drives the price down near the mean of the volume down here in this local pump, which is all the way down here at 47 cents. But that's something we'll continue to watch. The same thing with XLM. We're holding on critical support now. We've come all the way back down to that 13.5 cent level, And if you break this 13.5 cent level, and if you zoom in here, you can see you bounced on it nicely. See that? Because there's buyers there. This is a major support level. You would expect it to at least have a short-term bounce, and it is. If we can't continue the momentum off that short-term bounce, unfortunately, we have our fib circles down there that coincide beautifully with the 200-day moving average in green. Our fib circle, we got our 200-day moving average in green. See it right there? Riding right on top of our fib circle and our major horizontal support at 10.5 cents. And if you don't get the buyers to come in here and push this price back up, I believe you could have a flash flush crash all the way down to that 16 cents. And remember the other day in XRP and in this coin, we made a prediction when the price was up in here that we had a 33.2% flush coming. And there you go. That's how you get there. And the same thing with XRP. We made that video 2 days ago, 3 days ago, when the price was right at the top part of this blue trading zone. Oops. Right up in here. And we said we had a potential. And you can see at current price now we're down better than 11%. We had a price target of 33 to 32.69%, down to that 47-cent level. And everything looks to be according to plan. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.